Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Holly and I am a dancer. So today I thought I'd show some things I do to care for my body after like the incredible stress and pain that ballet induces to everyone who does it. I love it, don't get me wrong, but it takes its toll. And so this is what this bag is for. I got a bunch of requests from people just wondering how I take care of my body and what I use and all of that. And so I thought I'd just film a video of everything, I guess. I mean, let's be honest, I don't do all of this on a daily basis and my body would thank me so much more if I did. So take note from my mistakes and try and do as much of it as you can, because you, as a dancer, use your body. It is the tool that you use, you know. In football, yes, it's your body, but like the whole main, I'm not gonna get onto a football analogy. Anyways, long story short, you use your body a lot. Just a little side note, I was sick for like an entire week, and so my voice has not yet recovered, and yeah, I sound like I smoke 5 packs a day. So please ignore that, and let's get into it. Also, I had a bunch of people asking the last video where this top was from, so, oh my gosh, I'm too far away. But this top is from Lululemon, and I got it from a past teacher friend. This top is from Fabletics, and these shorts are from Lush Forest. So, if you're interested in the shorts, actually, I have a link to a promo code down below, so check it out. But in the bag, we have so much stuff. I had some things written down of what I do, but reality is it changes every day based on how my body's feeling. But after class, I come home and I just want to sit on the couch and be a potato and not do anything. As good as that feels in the moment, it will not serve you for the next day. So number one tip is to roll out. And this is best done after class. Let me grab my roller. Foam roller. I would recommend after class, before you even leave the studio, just roll out with this a little bit. It feels good, you know? Your muscles will thank you. Your spine will feel happier. Should I do ASMR? I like to start at the base and like roll through my spine. I also use it on like IT bands, and you go on your quad. Straight on the quad hurts pretty bad, I'm gonna be honest. Rollers, always good. I think every dancer has one. Along with the rolling aspect of things, I have what I call it like a rolling pin, because, well, it looks like a rolling pin. You just roll it as if like your body's like dough. That's so weird to say. Okay, kind of like the foam roller, but it's more portable, I guess. I always stick this in my dance bag. This is totally off topic, but my hair feels like it's a different color every single day. It's not dyed, so I don't know like what's going on with it, but it feels gray. It was feeling very gray today. Maybe it's the weather just like reflecting off of my hair. I took a shower, and this is what happens if you sleep in a towel. Moving on. This little guy. So good to use and have in your bag. I actually prefer a little green one. It has like these little rubber spikes on it. I can insert a little picture. I roll out my feet with it. I usually do it barefoot. What it does is it breaks up the fascia that builds when you're dancing all day. Next, I have this terrifying thing. Okay, it's called Roll Recovery. My sister and I used to share it. She's also a dancer. It hurts a little bit, I'm gonna be honest, but it really, really works, and that's probably why all of the runners use it to roll out their calves and legs, all of that. It looks like as if you had rollerblades. Those wheels, and the springs are pretty tight. Open it and roll it out. Roll it up and down your calves, and you can kind of turn it. You roll it on any sore muscle, and by rotating it, you can get, I guess, in deeper in different areas, but I can feel it going over the knots. That's insane. On to the next one. My camera died, but we're back. And I have saved the best for last. Ta-da. This is the Hydrogun. Hydrogun was so sweet and sent this to me, and I have never been more grateful. I needed this so badly, and I didn't even know that I was missing it in my life until I had one. They were so sweet. They did them. Hydrogun is a massage gun. So this is without any of the add-ons. Here are all the different add-ons, and I'm gonna lower this so you guys can see it better. The Hydrogun has all of these different add-ons that you can use. You just put it in, press down, and then to turn it on, you hold down for 3 seconds. Then there are 6 levels, so each one will just make it more intense, and depending on how sore your muscle is or what you need that day, it's going very fast. It's also super quiet, which is really nice. So I like to use it on my IT band and my calves, and especially on my back. But your back's a little tricky. I would recommend having a friend do it for you because it's doable. It's nicer when someone else does it. I'm trying to show you, and this is a little hard. You just run it up and down your leg, and you can increase. I think I like to go 3 or 4, honestly, which seems intense, but I feel like the faster it goes, the more intense it is for your muscle, and it's just so much more refreshed the next day. My calves get so tight, and this is the first massage tool that's actually helped them, because the rollers are great, they're dependable, but they're just like, they don't come close to what a massage gun can do. There's music in the background. Also, I'm talking as it's going. That's how quiet it is. I will show you guys another one. So this is another extension you can add on to it. This one is kind of nice because it has that Y shape. You can get on the sides. I'm getting sidetracked because it feels really good. So each top has a different use, but you just have to feel them out and see which one works best for you and what you need that day. I definitely love this guy, and this one's been pretty good too. This one looks very intense, but I assure you it is not that bad. It really just gets into like the deep tissue. So if you are interested in purchasing one, I'm gonna be honest, are an investment. They're not the cheapest, but coming from a dancer who this is my profession and what I've been doing my whole life, this has made such a change and completely refreshes my muscles for the following day. So I don't want to sound like an infomercial, but I do really love this, and if you're interested in buying it, I have a promo code linked down below. They have a Black Friday sale going on from now until the 29th of November, and it will give you $35 off if you use my link and use the code. If you're interested in purchasing one, this is the time. Also, I do know they have another sale going on. I think it's less, it's like $25 off, and that goes till January 3rd. So truly, I cannot recommend this enough. I am so thankful to Hydrogun for sending me one of these because it has completely changed my recovery routine. Pulling more from the bag, we have these 2 guys. So after I roll up my muscles and massage them, and they're feeling all loose and good, I should do this more often, but an ice bath helps so much, especially for anything that's like currently inflamed, like if something's swollen or even like chronic injuries that are still swollen, it will help a lot. It sucks, but it's really good for you. And then followed by a warm Epsom salt soak. So after you've done those, I usually, if I have time to spare, I will massage out my feet with either one of these. It is the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Body Lotion. So the thing about Epsom salts is it's all about the magnesium in it. So whether you use it in a lotion form or you soak in Epsom salts with like a warm bath, I know too much, you don't want to go overboard, but like a good amount, whether you're rubbing it into your feet or soaking, like I said, every day will just help recover all these sore muscles so much faster. I really recommend this one, and it smells really good, so that's always nice. And the other one I have is Arnica Massage Oil, and I don't use this one as much as the Epsom salt lotion, but I should because it's really good. And this is also just super, super good for just recovering from a really, really long day. And that is it, all for my recovery routine. The main thing is be kind to yourself, because we don't have time to do this every day. But if you make time to do at least like one of these things, maybe two, your body will thank you. And honestly, filming this video has made me realize how much I need to be doing more of them. So if you're anything like me and when you get home just don't want to do anything and just lie down in bed, try incorporating some of these because they will help save you, I promise. Also, a few other things that will really help in recovery are sleep, getting a lot of sleep. Your body needs that time to rest and recover, and I am the worst person to preach this because I never sleep. Anyone who knows me knows that I go to bed at like 2 in the morning and I wake up at like 9 a.m. if I'm lucky. It's sometimes like 8. So, and as much as I try and break that habit, I don't know. I have a problem. I can firsthand tell you that sleep really, really helps in recovering anything sore or in pain on your body, because your body just needs time to recover. You can do as many of these things as you want, but in reality, you just need rest and recuperation. So that is a very important part. Also, drinking water, you have to stay hydrated. Your muscles need that water to function. They need to be hydrated. Your body needs to be hydrated. Again, something that I need to do more of. And lastly, something that I think helps me recover is chocolate. Think about it. It makes you feel better. It's a mood booster. I think there's antioxidants in it. Don't hold me to that. I don't know. Are there antioxidants in dark chocolate? Oh, dark chocolate is loaded with the nutrients that can positively affect your health. Made from seeds of the cocoa tree, it is one of the best sources of antioxidants you can find. Studies show that dark chocolate can improve your health and lower the risk of heart disease. Boom. Dark chocolate. Thank you so much for sticking around to this point. I know that this video was all over the place, and I hope that this helps some of you guys if you were wondering what to use after a workout or a day of dance or any sport really. All of these things would be beneficial and can translate to whatever field you're doing. Or if you're a runner, a football player, a dancer, a gymnast, I hope that you can find something in this video that will be beneficial. I am going to sign off for today, but thank you guys again for watching, and leave a comment down below with what you use to recover or your recovery routine, because I am always looking to add to what I should be doing, and I know other people would love to hear it as well. Also, if you have video suggestions, leave them down below. I absolutely love reading them, and I really try to comment back to all of them. So yeah, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.